Pakistani anybody was to study Pakistan at the video how you can make a fire alarm. Show you the table. This is certain diagram which I made. So there are total relay also. Total 4 modules. I used only 3 modules in my this is Alumino Leonardo. I have Alumino. Both were same. So I have sensor 5 volt down is nothing to the 5 volt down of the Arduino 5 volt down to ground, and active buzzer. We use active buzzer. Active buzzer have 3 pins, 5 volt down and signal. 5 volt is that 5 volt down to ground, and this relay and this LED I not use. And there are the digital that of the fire sensor. Two outputs, analog and digital. I use both at same time. Digital goes to a pin number 9 of Arduino digital pin, and pin number 11 of digital pin number 11 is goes to the buzzer signal pin, and analog pin of the fire sensor is go to the analog pin number 3 of the Arduino Uno. And Arduino Uno powered by laptop. You can use a USB cable to and power bank. Also you can use with a 12 8 volt power supply, Arduino power supply. Now those two are such product code. We include relay not use it, still include pin number 4 is nothing, and we define flame sensor pin number 9. And analog will define pin number 9, and buzzer defined as pin number 11, and in we float sensor while loop set up pin mode, and little bit so you can see all those were the digital light. I cannot read one by one, but you can see by yourself, because if I read manual one by one it takes too much time. Now I will let Arduino Uno with Tom 3, and it also compile it and upload. Now there are hardware part system, the USB cable Arduino, and my Arduino is only 2 5 volt and 2 ground pins. We need more pins. In order to have more sensors, so I use a breadboard. So we take 5 volt down to a breadboard and stem multiple times as I need. Which those these are active buzzer. Active buzzer. There are a flame sensor, analog pin, and flame sensor, digital pin. Signal pin of the alarm, buzzer, active buzzer, 5 volt ground, and there another 5 volt ground is not there. Light black is ground and white is 5 volt. Now turn on matchstick and then fire it and see what's happening. This time over the camera, me and I also hold the camera as sensor, not too close, so you can see it's little bit wide, and this way you can make your fire alarm. And this video is done with next video soon. And by the way, you can use try with this thing with ESP8268, which can alert your system, to your own Wi-Fi, and give you alert when fire is happened. And once more I show you, so you cannot say I will cheat it and then finish the video. Not been close. And you see it's producing sound. And this video is done with them. Next video I can pause.